How's everybody doing? Tractorhead04 here. I apologize for the lack of content on the 37 Plymouth here. Have just had some things over the last year that have been taking up my time, unfortunately, and have kept me away from the project, but that's all taken care of and back on it again after, like I said, it's been about 10 months since I've done any real work on the car, and I know it's been about 11 months since any of you have seen a video on the car. So this is part 6, and it's just kind of a little bit of an update as to what has happened that wasn't filmed and what's to come yet. So anyway, start at the front, got the firewall welded back in. Had it taken out in one of the earlier videos, if you guys remember, for the engine. Didn't like where it was sitting, so ended up moving the engine around to get the firewall back in place. Kind of hard to see there. As you can see, the car is not on the frame. The frame is over here off to the side yet, but I'll be able to show it better when the body's back on the frame. But redid the whole front floor, transmission tunnel, all that's all custom done and pretty well done. Got a little bit of finished body work to do yet on it. I have photos of all that. I will probably link to the Facebook fan page. I will link that in the video description, so if anybody wants to check that out as well. Sometimes it's just stuff goes on that I don't have time to grab the camera for, that I just grab the cell phone and snag a quick picture of what I'm doing and everything. So if I don't have it up there already, I will put a dedicated album to this build on the Facebook fan page, and anybody that wants to follow that along can as well, because like I said, sometimes there's just some things that I'm not able to film and I just snap a quick picture and put it up on the album. But anyway, so the floor, like I said, got taken care of. Walk around to the back here. It might be a little bit hard to see in the dark here, but brand new trunk floor. Unfortunately, with how it was designed originally, we needed to section it to get it in properly, but no big deal. It's going to be covered with carpet and it'll be seam sealed and everything anyway. But the trunk floor's in. There's some structural braces that I'll be able to show a little better tomorrow. Also put in, this all needs ground down and all the finish work done. But that's just another thing that kind of happened off camera, that the little bit of time I got in the last year to do, it was done, and just, like I said, didn't have time to pick up the camera, so just was more of a get it done when I have time and not worry about the video as much, unfortunately. But anyway, just like I said, getting ready to get the body and the frame put back together tonight, while there's an extra set of hands here to do so. So gonna get that done, and I suppose I will add to the end of this possibly tomorrow and just kind of show the floor work and everything. So anyway, that's it for tonight. I'll check back in the morning and show a little bit of the floor work and everything in a little better light. So stay tuned and I'll talk to you then. Alrighty, so like I said, I wanted to shoot some video of the car back on the frame. Got that done the other night, so want to walk around and, as promised, show you guys the work on the floor here that was done that I didn't get a chance to film. But as you can see from where the seat's going to go clear up to the firewall there, that is all handmade, brand new steel. Had to cut everything out. The floor was all rotted out here, and also had to make a new tunnel to adjust where the new shifter is going to go and all that. So that's all done. I got the welds pretty well ground on all this stuff, so it's pretty much done as far as the floor goes. Got a little bit of fiberglass work to do between the two pieces in the back here possibly, but everything will get gone over with seam sealer and all that anyway, so not a huge deal. But there are photos of all this on the Facebook fan page. Like I said, I will make an album. I believe I already have one on there, so you guys can check that out. I will definitely link that in the video so you can see the step-by-step pretty well of most of this. Poke the camera in here and be able to see the trunk floor a little bit better. Laying there's the roll pan for the back. Have a new piece made for the bottom there that you can see. Need to adjust that a little bit and get it to fit, but have to put it in the back here and redo the corners and all that, so that's all yet to come. But basically gonna get back on the project finally, like I said earlier in the other clip, so definitely stay tuned for more. Be happy to get back on this more steady again. So anyway, thanks for watching, and definitely stay tuned for more, because this project's rolling again, and I'll definitely keep everybody updated with videos. So thanks for watching.